Upgrade your kitchen and home with this collection of smart, space-saving, and time-saving tools. Here, a watermelon slicer. All-in-one avocado cutter, slicer and pit remover. Press perfect burger patties every time. Dish brush with built-in soap dispenser. Wash shoes safely in machine with ease. Tenderize meat for better flavor and texture. Crush garlic easily with minimal effort. Sponge cleans dust from hard-to-reach areas. Keeps your sink area dry and clean. Thumb cutter for safe, easy harvesting. Multi-blade veggie cutter for quick prep. Peel fruits cleanly with sharp precision. Catch hair in laundry, reduce clogging. Rotating tray organizes items for easy access. Open jars, bottles and cans effortlessly. Keep baby's ears dry during bath time. Keep cords neat with reusable cable ties. Cut and scoop kiwi with one tool. Compact raincoat for sudden weather changes. Dumpling maker saves time and effort. Shock-absorbing EVA airbag protector. Break car windows easily in emergencies. Quick and easy fruit peeling tool. Chop veggies fast with press down action. Whip ingredients manually with easy grip. Adjustable phone stand for live streaming. Relieve muscle pain with massage gun. Cut and slice pineapple easily and safely. Holds pot lids conveniently while cooking. Catch hair to prevent shower drain clogs. Stretchy lids seal bowls of any size. Deep clean toilet with durable brush. Pump soap directly onto sponge easily. Maximize corner space with this shelf. Spread and store butter with ease. Hang basket on cabinet for extra storage. Secure phone on dashboard while driving. Hooks to hang rags neatly and cleanly. Strip corn quickly from the cob. Crack eggs cleanly with one tap. Sharpen knives electrically for better cuts. Grind salt and pepper with button press. Hang wine glasses without drilling shells. Seal food bags to keep items fresh. Crush garlic manually with simple press.
Yeah.
Rack keeps sponges dry and organized. kitchen space with tiered shelf. Drain basket fits in sink for rinsing. Manual tool to sharpen knives effectively. Magnetic iPhone case with silicone finish. Clip bag shut to preserve freshness. Hand presser for garlic, easy and fast. Shred and slice meat by hand easily. Mini paper soap for clean hands anywhere. Cut everything with multifunctional scissors. Brush pets and clean fur with ease. Layered scissors for easy herb cutting. Rack dries dishes neatly and hygienically. Knife holder organizes and stores safely. Slice veggies thin with stainless precision. Travel suitcase with built-in charger. Automated switches with smart button pusher. Durable, spacious suitcase for travel.